So Clayton at Licensed Wholesale, sometimes we get questions on how do I install an archway on a home. This is a front door archway. Customers asked us to place lights here. Couple recommendations is glue. It's a great application for archways. And so how do you glue the light, or where do you glue the light to the archway? There's a couple of installers that will recommend gluing the end, placing a little bit of glue on the end of the light, and then attaching the light to the archway that way. Lights point down, it'll work. My recommendation, pro tip, is don't place glue on the end, because these are caps. If at the end of the season you come to take these lights down, that cap could potentially lift ever so slightly. Now you're going to have an error and this light will not light. My recommendation, or our recommendation, is on any archway is glue on the side of the bulb, placing it under here. One, your lights are still going to face out, it's still going to look nice, but when you go to take that down, it will come off and you won't have any issues leaving the end cap behind. One thing you'll do is never glue on stucco. Brick, rock, hard surfaces, concrete, driveways, pathways, that's appropriate for glue, but never glue on stucco.